So the arena was built in 1996. Not long after, the AFAS Live was built, a smaller concert hall for 8,000 people. And about 10 years ago, the Ziggo Dome also arrived in the area, hosting up to 17,000 people. And those three venues combined really made the question about how can we manage the crowds and the mobility on a higher level.
De grootste uitdaging bij evenementen in de arena, waar natuurlijk heel veel mensen samenkomen, is om alle relevante beelden te zien. Dus daar kunnen slimme systemen ons bij helpen.
When we host a concert, we can host up to 73,000 people. Of course, then we have over 10,000 cars in the area and over 14,000 people arriving by public transport, all in a very short period of time. When the match or the concert is over, that's when the peak hits the area, because when the arena flows out, we are empty within 20 to 25 minutes. And then you have 70,000 people on the street going towards the train station, going towards their parking facilities. And this is what we manage from the Operational Mobility Center with our public-private partnership. I'm happy about Genetec that it unifies different systems, different data sources into one system where we can have an overview of different camera systems so we can see different angles from the area. A few years ago we didn't have this, so we had black spots in the area. And now, because we can combine these camera systems, we have an overview of the whole area, which really helps, of course, safety, but also crowd and mobility management.
Dat het heel gebruiksvriendelijk is om snel te wisselen tussen verschillende camera's gedurende de verschillende fases van het evenement, zoals de instroom, gedurende de wedstrijd en na afloop de uitstroom.
We use the Federation of Genetec to combine different camera systems of the area. So different stakeholders, public and private, we all share the camera images into one system.
Naast de camera's die in het videomanagement systeem zitten, gebruiken we ook bodycams om beeld te hebben op plekken waar we geen of beperkt zicht hebben. Zodat we op een snelle manier toch beeld hebben van een incident. Clearance is naadloos geïntegreerd in Security Center, waardoor het voor ons echt een hele snelle manier en ook de enige manier is om beelden op te slaan in de cloud.
Privacy is very important for us. We use the federation, but we maintain all the privacy rules and regulations that are active for camera surveillance. I think the system helps us towards sustainability, so we can provide the full customer journey. We have everything in picture, from the parking, from the roadways until the entrance. We have big events. We have the biggest artists in the world performing just behind me. It's very thrilling if Beyoncé or Ed Sheeran shows up, and we do service everything that is about safety, about mobility, that drives our company to do the best and to make sure everything is done smoothly and safely.